Gold and silver back to the resistance levels on the upside at 2350. However, silver is still trying to trade bearish. It has not breached past 2360, the critical resistance. At the same time, gold is back in the zone at 1980-85, the most critical resistance levels. Now, what to expect today for gold and silver? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join my mentorship. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel where you get the live updates. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. And yes, the link for the Telegram channel is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look at the hourly charts for gold. You can find out this is the bullish channel in which it is trying to trade. The upside is at 1985. Hence, at any point of time, if you see it trading above 1986.5 now, you can stay long and it is going to give you handsome profits on the upside till towards 1995 levels. And in fact, it can go beyond. Remember what it is trying to do: consolidation here, then this bullish candle, consolidation here. I will wait for the next candle. If it stays above 1985, 1986, it is going to give you very good profit. Also, if you look at, see, the moving averages are almost converging here at 73.5, 75 levels, and this is also after consolidating for 2-3 candles. This is the first breakout candle, hence we may see it continuing on the upside. Stochastic is rising, MACD trying to diverge again, RSI looking upwards, showing little bullishness here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Now on the 2-hour charts, look at these two candles. Lower highs were there. These were first bullish candle. Now this, we have seen this second bullish candle, and this is turned as a step for it to rise. Now till the time it stays above 1973, 1975 levels, certainly one can stay long. One can expect a little more rise, which might in fact this time take it for 1985 and plus level. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is also divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, giving bullish indication. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at most important, the 3-hour charts, you'll find lower highs, higher lows. This is a breakout candle and this is trying to take a direction. Remember, whenever it takes a direction, it certainly stays it for a little while. Also, you can see 4 to 5 consolidation candles, and this time it is trying to break out. I will wait for it to break past 1985-86 levels, and then you can just stay long for 1990, 1991, 93 levels. Beyond that, certainly 2000 can also be expected. Stochastic is dropping here. MACD, see, MACD is again divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI looking upwards, showing a little strength. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now also look at 4-hour chart, the same observation what we had on the 3-hour chart. See, lower highs, lower lows, and this is a breakout. It might try to sustain this breakout levels. Just wait for it now for the next levels at 1985-86. Beyond that, it is going to give you very good bullish momentum for 91-93, and in fact 2000 can be also expected. Stochastic has dropped, MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI also looking upwards. Now look at the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, see, firstly the previous candle had the very long tail. Second observation is the double bottom levels here. Third observation here is the lower highs what we had seen till now. This candle is trying to break out. Thus this might stay bullish. This might at least try to achieve this levels at 1993, and in fact beyond that more bullishness can be seen there. Now forming the double bottom, obviously you can expect a little more rise, which might in fact take it till towards 2010-2020. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI almost flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy now at 1985 and stay long. Those who went long at around 1980 levels, you can stay long there till the time it stays above 1975, 1973 zone. One can stay long in gold. Till the time it stays above 1975-73, one can stay long in gold. One can expect a rise. At the same time, below 1970, you can again sell and expect it to drop more. Below 1970, we can again expect it to hit 1964-60 and then 1958-54 levels. The only bearishness is below 1954. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd mentorship batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Let's start with silver here. Now see silver on the early charts, bullish candle here, flag here, and now it is willing to break out. In fact, as I said, 2350 and 2360 is staying above 2350. You can stay long, and see in the morning it was 2330 levels, 2340 levels, below which it was a short entry. It went to 2330, the first support, and bounced back, and that is why 10 cents trailing stop loss was given in the morning. Now you can say that if it stays above 1950 60 zone, you can expect it to give it a similar size of candle, which is going to give more, which is going to bring more bullishness, and then 2380 $24 levels can be expected. See, stochastic is rising here, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is also rising here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now also on the 2-hour charts, now it is almost touching the 20 period moving average, staying above this 2360. See, this zone becomes critical for silver, 2350 2360. If any point of time if you see it trading above 2360, certainly you can expect 2380, and then $24 levels can also be expected. Remember, double bottom, symmetrical formation, waiting for a breakout, and then it can show you a good bullish move. The stochastic is seen rising here. MACD has started to diverge. It is looking upwards. RSI is also flat and trying to look upwards. Now look at the 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts, first of all, look at the previous two candles, lower highs, higher lows. This candle with a flat bottom trying to recover here, and hence till 2335. One can expect it to rise, and how far it can go, I will expect 2355, 2360 levels to be a very, very good resistance zone, and beyond that, till 2370, let's be alert, and then I will expect it, see, till $24 levels. Actually, I am expecting it to reverse till here, but then you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. Nothing can be done. These are markets, can reverse any point of time, and if it is a little distant from your entry price, certainly you should trade with a stop loss at cost, or just keep your stop loss at 2330 and stay long. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD trying to converge crossover, RSI looking upwards trying to trade bullish. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similar observation. See, higher lows are seen, higher highs, which means 2355. And hence, if it breaks past 2360, yes, you can stay long, but till 2380 $24 levels, you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. If you look at the long run, what it is trying to do is trade within this channel. The highs of this channel now at around 2380, and hence you have to be watchful there. Stochastic has dropped, MACD trying to cross over for a buy, RSI looking upwards and showing bullishness. Likewise on the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. See, first of all, look at the previous candle. Very small body size, bigger tail, indicates that there could be a pullback. It has got the support from the 100 period moving average, now trying to show you a pullback. And how far it can pull back? See, it can show you a symmetrical candle till 2360 65, and in fact it can rise further, show you higher highs. Now higher highs from this candle, but lower highs from this channel, which is at 2380 levels. Till there you have to be watchful. Stochastic dropped, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2350, or rather you can stay long with the stop loss at 2330. One can stay long in silver and expect it to rise till towards 2365, and in fact 2380 levels. Remember, morning it was a sell, it failed to sustain below 2330, bounce back. Now it's a buy, and it has to stay above 2360 level for further bullishness. Hence buying at 2350 levels will not be a bad proposition, but you have to be watchful at every 10 cents from 2350 levels, 2360, 70, 80, and only beyond 2380 more bullishness may prevail. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.